Hello. Welcome back to the 30-day power push-up challenge. Today's workout is going to be a continuation of day 9. We are going to target our back, but with an upper body focus, using a different technique. I really like the arm release push-up. It's similar to the hand release push-up. And today's word is going to be decisive. I am confident and well able to make decisions quickly and effectively. Let's say it together. I am decisive. I am confident and well able to make decisions quickly and effectively. Yes. And here are some of the things that I would like for you to remember before we begin. Also, grab some water. Grab your gloves if you want some support. If you're feeling discomfort, I recommend that you do. If you're having issues with your wrist, I don't recommend some of these workouts, or you can try to do them on the wall, but make sure that you are safe. If you haven't warmed your body up, make sure that you do. Here are some videos that can help you do that, or you can do your own, like running. Swimming is a great type of warm-up, or you can do some dynamic stretches on the spot. First things first, we gotta nail the positioning and alignment of our hands so that way we can target the right muscles. We are lightly turning those fingers to the sides. We're gonna lower ourselves, and when we do that, we make sure that we start engaging the back muscles. When we extend backwards, we make sure that we squeeze tightly, and then we explosively bring ourselves back up. I'm gonna show you from the side how that looks. We're gonna do basically the same thing. With support, we're going to bring ourselves down. Again, we're going to release, and we're going to squeeze, keeping the alignment of the neck and spine, and we bring ourselves back up. Now we're going to do it without support. We're going to do basically the same thing. Squeezing back there, keeping the breathing going, bringing ourselves back up with no support this time. There you go. This is it. Let's do it. Get ready, get set, and let's go, my queens and princesses. We are halfway there. Way to go, champs. We knocked it out the park. Now it's time to release some tension, whether you have it on your hands, your neck, your spine, your lower back, even your face. Sometimes we carry so much tension on the jaw lines. We want to release it. Drink some water, go to the restroom. You need to empty your bladder. And we'll be releasing tension from your wrists specifically. I know some of you carry pain on your wrists, and that's because of the type of work you do or for the lack of movement there. So follow along. This is easy to do. Just be careful with the movement. Make sure that you are doing it gently. Test your limits, okay? All right, let's go for it. Ready for the second round? I know you got this. Let's go. Good job, everybody. So proud of all of you. Way to go. Tomorrow, you're gonna add one more set, and after tomorrow, you're gonna add 2 more sets for a total of 4 sets. What is the word of today? I am decisive. I am confident and well able to make decisions quickly and effectively. Remembering this word is not only going to help you in your fitness journey, but in other things as well. What's another goal you're trying to reach? Type it down below. I would love to hear more about you guys. I love feedback. I want to hear the good and the bad. If you would like me to do something a little bit different, if you have new ideas, a different variation of push-ups, type it down below. I might include it in our 30-day challenge. Enjoy the rest of your day and get them in, okay? Do your best. I love you. Adios.